So we are doing amines. Nomenclature is done. Today we will start with, put the heading, structure of amines. Structure of amines. All right. So amines are derivatives of ammonia. So if I take NCH3 C2H5 H C2H5H, इसका नाम क्या होगा? Sorry? Seriously? N-methyl? क्यों? ये 2 डिग्री है. This is just a 2 degree amine. Hello? हाँ, वो जो प्लीज पैसेज দিয়ে ঢুকে যান. প্যাসেজ দিয়ে ঢুকে গ্রিলের একটা গেট আছে, ঢুকে যান. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমি সেন্টারে আছি. This is between, this is your parent chain. This is your parent chain. This is the branch. That means this is our substituent. So this is N-methyl ethan amine. N-methyl ethan amine. Yes or no? Now, do you agree कि यहाँ nitrogen के पास lone pairs है? Right? Nitrogen has a lone pair here. Now, can you tell me something? Somebody needs to draw. अच्छा. So nitrogen के पास यहाँ lone pair है. Now, my next question is, do you think that will this be chiral or achiral? My question is, will this particular molecule will show optical activity or will it be optically inactive? Optical activity দেখাবে. Why? Very good, very good, very good. All the 4 groups are different. Lone pair is one of them. This is A, B, C, D. So this particular nitrogen has 4 different groups attached to it. So this becomes optically active. And if it is optically active, we call it chiral. Now, if in case of this one, that means it carbon case. In case of carbon, we call it chiral. But now this is not carbon, so we will call it that this is optically active. So will it be superimposable on its mirror image? It will not be superimposable on its mirror image. So ek kaam karo, I am giving you the molecule. ये C2H5 है, ये H है, इसका mirror image इधर बनाओ. इसका mirror image बनाओ. Urmi, can you hear me? Urmi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have just started. Okay, this is amines chapter. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
You join, no, please. There's only one person. Make the mirror image. चलो. हो गया था mirror image बनाना हो गया था. Finished. No, stay. नहीं, spotlight नहीं हो रहा है मेरा ये video. So your mirror image should look like this. Nitrogen. What did you put here? CH3, C2H5, and H. So this is the mirror image, and this is optically active. So they are non-superimposable, right? Second, jaldi. Yes. Let's go to the next section. Now, Please tell me. Urmi, Ashish to?
हाँ मैम.
Okay. Please tell me what is the hybridization of nitrogen in this particular molecule? sp3. Very good. This is sp3 hybridized. इसका shape क्या है? This is simply pyramidal. This is simply pyramidal because when we are deciding the shape of ammonia, this lone pair is not taken into consideration, and nitrogen, actually this is like this, no? There is this CH3, C2H5 सामने है, C2H5 सामने है, and at the back you have this hydrogen. So it is almost like a pyramid. That is why the name pyramidal. Can anyone tell me what is the bond angle? What is the bond angle of nitrogen in what is the bond angle in ammonia? Sorry, how much? 108 से कम है. This is ज़्यादा है. 107. The bond angle in ammonia is 100. You can't be so casual. They have a specific bond angle. What is the bond angle in water? 104.5. 120 is tetrahedral, that is in methane. Okay. Now, ammonia is 107. Shoini, I just started. Okay, you can start from here also. Ammonia is 107. My question is, if you take a primary or a secondary amine, where will their bond angles be same or different? Will it be larger or smaller? Variable. Means my question is bond angle बढ़ेगा कि घटेगा? अगर मैंने यहाँ पे CH3 लगाया तो यहाँ पे बॉन्ड एंगल 107 रहेगा, तो रिपल्शन की वजह से बढ़ेगा कि घटेगा? बढ़ेगा, because this is a bulky group. So the more bulky groups you have, your bond angle keeps on increasing. Is that okay? So you can write down ammonia. Yes. You can write down ammonia molecule has a bond angle. Ammonia molecule has a bond angle of 107. Comma. However, due to the presence of methyl groups, in amines, the bond angle increases. Due to steric hindrance. All right, clear? Okay. So that was about optical activity and structure. Straight away, we will go to the next heading, food preparation. Shashanko, preparation. Preparation of amines. This is the first one from alkyl halides. Inside the bracket, you write down Hoffman's ammonolysis. HOFFMANNS. Hoffman's ammonolysis. Hoffman's ammonolysis. And this is one of the most important methods. Okay, from alkyl halides, the name reaction is Hoffman's ammonolysis. Shuru kare? Okay. Alkyl halide is Rx. Yes or no? I need ammonia, NH3. Product क्या बनेगा? RNH2 plus. Very good. So RNH2 plus HX. Let's continue the reaction. RNH2 plus RX. क्या बनेगा? R, that means R2NH plus R2NH होगा ना? Plus HX. Third step, R3NH plus RX will give you. Oh, sorry. R2NH plus RX will give you R3N plus HX. Right? Last step, R3N plus RX. R4N plus X minus. Put like this because it is a salt. We don't need the square bracket. So this is primary quaternary ammonium salts. ये salt है. हाँ. So this is a quaternary ammonium salt. So this is primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Is this okay? Shubhradeep, Akash, is that okay? All right, everyone. Now, what do you need to understand in this reaction? Shohini hoye gache? Okay. Everyone, start the reaction. Start the reaction with CH3I. Start the reaction with CH3I plus NH3. CH3I plus NH3. CH3I plus NH3. Product क्या बना? Oh, I forgot to tell you something. This is temperature is 373 Kelvin. Okay, throughout we need 373 Kelvin. Product is CH3NH2 plus HI. Very good. But we don't know which kind of reaction it is, right? We don't know which kind of reaction it is. Nitrogen has a pair of electrons here, right? Carbon will carry what charge in this alkyl halide? Delta positive, very good. And this is delta negative. So this is carrying a pair of electrons. This will become a, will it become a nucleophile or will it become an electrophile? Somebody who has a pair of electrons will be attracted towards the nucleus or will be attracted towards the electron? So nucleus loving holo, to ki ho jabe? Nucleophile. So this is attacking here. ये nitrogen का lone pair यहाँ पे attack हो रहा है and this is going out. So ये कौन से category में आया? Nucleophilic substitution. लिखो. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Complete? So we were here. Please give me till the end, whatever products you get. Huh? Yes. CH3I karo. That means we will get CH3 whole 2 NH. Continue here. Minus HI. CH3I minus HI. That will be CH3 whole 3N. Continue. CH3I minus HI. That will be CH3 whole 4 N plus I minus. Achha, does anyone want to, I think all these you can give me the name. What is the name of the first one? Methanamine. Second one? Pagul hoye gechiস? Hey Bhagwan, Bhagwan. CH3N, CH3H. This is 2 degree. এটার মধ্যে একটা N বসবে। 3 degree में 2 N बैठेगा। So this is N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. And this one is, last one is N, N, dimethyl methanamine. Yes or no? Methan, A-M-I-N-E. N, N, dimethyl methanamine. That one is secondary. So that is N-methyl methanamine. And this one is simply methanamine. Is that okay? Clear with everyone? Try the last one. कितना methyl है? 4. Nitrogen carrying a positive charge is called, what is NH4 plus? Ammonium. ये tetramethyl ammonium हो गया, tetramethyl ammonium iodide. This is tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Complete? This was the first preparation. Now, Hoffman's ammonolysis comes with a limitation. Okay, now what is the limitation? You see, you are getting a primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary salt also. Do you think their separation will be easy? No. So this is the biggest limitation of Hoffman's ammonolysis, that we get right now. A mixture of products is obtained. A mixture of products is obtained, which is difficult to separate. A mixture of products is obtained, which is difficult to separate. That was the first limitation. And second limitation is, this method is not suitable. This method is not suitable for preparation of arylamines. This method is not suitable for preparation of arylamines. Where are you coming from? Did you? You get inside from the side and sit with Aman without disturbing my good boy. This method is not suitable for preparation of arylamines because aryl halides are relatively less reactive. Compared to alkyl halides. Aryl halides are relatively less reactive compared to alkyl halides. Clear? Achha, if I may ask you, why are aryl halides less reactive than alkyl halides? Can anyone give me the answer? Because I have done this with you. Can you please elaborate your hand? एक minute dara. No, it's not that. Aryl halide matlab benzene with a halogen. So I'm taking bromobenzene and I'm taking CH3Br. They are telling you that this is more reactive and this is less reactive. Why? I need the specific answer. Huh? This we have done in that chapter, haloalkanes, haloarenes. That, and when we were doing words reaction, words fatigue reaction, I told you this one plus Na plus Br and this one. Will there be any product? Benzene ring attach हो जाएगा? Dry ether. कुछ तो reason है for them being very less reactive. Why? What happens due to resonance? What is very good, Shubhradeep, very good. Due to resonance, this bond acquires a double bond character. And is double bond easily breakable or it breaks with difficulty? Difficulty. So this is the reason why that this haloarenes are, difficult, have less reactivity. Okay, let's continue. Our first preparation is done. Amines Kochiamra. We just finish a little bit. You can write preparation and start with number 2. Put the next heading, reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. Okay. Nitro formula key. Nitro. NO2. So R NO2. Reduction का मतलब क्या है? Addition of hydrogen. Good. H2 लिखते हैं. We can do it. I need a catalyst. Can you suggest one? Okay, very good. So I'm taking Ranny nickel. Okay. Ranny nickel. I can take platinum or palladium. Ranny nickel. RANEY. नहीं, ये actually aluminium के साथ एक alloy बन के use होता है. It is an alloy form. So what will be the product? R NH2. Byproduct क्या निकलेगा? Water. Reaction balance करो. Similarly, I can take aromatic compounds also. Same condition देके product बनाओ. यहाँ पे 3 এখানে 3 হবে না? এখানে 3 হবে. This is 6. I think I need 2 here. Okay, do the second one. So, balancing will remain same. यहाँ पे 3 बैठेगा. What will be? We will get AR NH2 plus 2H2O, right? Okay. So if this is the case, please remember nitro compounds on reduction will give you amines. I can also do the reduction. Suppose I'm taking CH3, CH2, NH2. Oh, sorry, NO2. ये क्या है? CH3, CH2, NO2. Nitroethane, very good. I can do the reduction with plus H2. I can use tin in HCl. Okay. Also, I can use iron with HCl because active metals, okay, they act as reducing agents. Why they are acting as reducing agents? Metals क्यों reducing agents होते हैं? They are able to donate electron. Very good. Product बनाओ. Product बनाओ. Balance the reaction and make the product. HNO3. What is the name of the product? Ethanamine plus H2O. Balancing ki jabe 2, 4. Do no. Balancing will go same now. Okay, now what is this starting material? Nitrobenzene will give you. Nitrobenzene will give you benzenamine or aniline plus H2O. Product banao. कॉमा कॉमा देके रखा है मैंने. Complete. So this should give you aniline and H2O. Okay. Now, apart from raninical, this is catalytic reduction. This is with metal. You can also use a very strong reducing agent that is dehydrated. Lithium, aluminium hydride. So this reagent can also be used to convert your nitro to amines. ये भी लिख के रखो arrow के ऊपर. You can write this or this. Lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4. LiAlH. Sorry. You take a nitro compound. Arrow के ऊपर lithium aluminium hydride लिखा हुआ है. You know you have to convert the nitro to amine. तो क्या हुआ है? Yes. So this is reduction basically. Next preparation. Put the heading. Reduction of nitriles. এটা তো শুধু primary. শুধু primary. Put the next heading, reduction of nitriles. Put the next heading, reduction of nitriles and isonitriles. Reduction of nitriles and isonitriles. হ্যাঁ এটা নাম্বার 3 হবে. সোহিনী হচ্ছে না?
হ্যাঁ
উর্মি?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম.
Okay. Reduction of nitriles and isonitriles. Okay. What is the formula of nitrile? Nitrile is cyanide. Nitrile is cyanide. Cyanide को हम लोग IUPAC में नाइट्राइल्स बोलते हैं. और आइसोनाइट्राइल क्या था? RNC. RCN is nitrile. NITRI and nitrile. And RNC is isonitrile. It is an ambident nucleophile. Very good. Now I will start with CH3 C triple bond N. CH3 C triple bond N. Can you please give me the name? Alkane nitrile. How many carbons can you see here, Himanshu? Ethane nitrile. This is ethane nitrile plus H2 करेंगे. Oh no, you can not. You can just put it over the arrow to avoid our balancing. H2 nickel. I can also use sodium amalgam. Okay, and I need a solvent that is ethanol. Sodium in ethanol. It is called C2H5OH. इस पूरे reagent को हम लोग Mendius 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 reagent बोलते हैं या फिर Mendius reaction भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है? Give me the product though. CH3. Carbon को you cannot eliminate carbon, no? Can you eliminate carbon? Akash हो गया. So we will get CH3, CH2, NH2. एक carbon का reduction होगा ना? What are we doing? We are simply removing the double bonds and adding hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. एक triple bond থেকে আমি খালি এখানে আসলাম. Yes or no? Is that understood? So I am again getting a primary amine. Clear? So my nitrile has changed to amine. All right. This is simple. I am going to isonitrile. See. Best method क्यों बोलेंगे? Darling's method. Darling's method. Darling's method best क्यों था? क्योंकि बाई प्रोडक्ट्स उड़ जाते थे. इसमें ओके लिख दो बेस्ट मेथड है. CH3N triple bond C, H2Ni sodium Hg, C2H5OH प्रोडक्ट बना दो. And tell me the name of the product. Are you serious? So tell me the structure. CH3 তারপরে N তারপরে উপরে লিখি H টা তারপরে CH2. So what is the difference between this and this? Eta secondary, eta primary. So with nitrile I'm getting a primary. With the isonitrile I'm getting a secondary. Nitrile का common नाम क्या है? Cyanide. Isonitrile का common नाम क्या है? Isocyanide. Is that okay? Will you remember this? तो ये 2 डिग्री है, इसका नाम बताओ. इससे बहुत सारे N-methyl methanamine. This one is ethanamine. Is that okay? So this is N-methyl methanamine. This is 2 degree. This is 1 degree. Shushanko, is that all right? এখানে এটা middle আছে নাইট্রোজেনটা. So I'll remove these double bonds and satisfy all the valencies with hydrogen. নাইট্রোজেনের অলরেডি দুটো বন্ড আছে, একটা হাইড্রোজেন চলে আসলো, এখানে একটা আছে, এখানে দুটো, আমাকে তিনটে লাগাতে হবে. All right? Clear now, everyone? Okay, so this was the next method. I'm going to the next. Next is reduction of amides. AMIDES. এটা কত নাম্বার? Reduction of AMIDES, amides. আচ্ছা, amide এর functional group কি? Formula. amide, AMIDE, formula কি? কিসের? সুপ্রদীপ, amide এর formula কি? না থাকতেই হবে, কারো তো মনে আছে বলো. Somebody remembers. Come on. আমি জানি তো, ঘুমের আগে কি খেয়ে আসছে সেটা বল. RCONH2. amide is RCONH2. इसका नेमिंग कैसे जाता है? इसका नेमिंग जाता है, amides are named as alkanamide. Okay, alkanamide. Reduction LiAl H4, which is, इसका नाम क्या है? LiLH4 is, it is the strongest reducing agent. ठीक है? So lithium aluminium hydride, we will need a solvent that is ether. First step में इसको use करेंगे, second step में इसको hydrolysis कर देंगे. Product क्या बनेगा बोलो? We are R. कार्बन को ही बीच से हटा दिया. RCNH2, इसका मतलब कार्बन के पास 2 बॉन्ड कम गया. बकवास. Put hydrogen here and put water here. That is more satisfactory. It looks better, no? So we'll get an amine and we'll get water. Yeah. Then why are you telling me all these things? So you will give me the product of this one and this one. In दोनों का product. Okay, CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2, right? Yes. Ethanamine. Second one. Oh, by the way, product का नाम तो मुझे पता है. Tell me the name of the reactant. Oh, why? Ethanamide. This is ethanamide. Yes or no? This one. ये पहले बेंजीन था, BNZENE था, तो ये बेसिकली हमें अमाइड बनाना है. बेंजामाइड है ये एक्चुअली. बेंजामाइड है. BENZAMIDE. So this is benzamide. Phenyl. Okay, so you got C6H5, CH2, NH2. You got like this, no? You got like this. Phenyl. One phenyl. If I take the IUPAC, it will be phenyl. ये तो अमाइनो हो जाएगा प्रीफिक्स में. One amino, one phenyl methane. And if I go by common name, this will become benzylamine. Do you remember this one? What was this? CH2OH. Achha, I'm removing this OH. If I write here, if I write C6H5CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. Thank you so much. This was benzyl chloride because this carbon is known as benzylic carbon. The first carbon which is attached to the benzene ring is benzylic. So ये benzyl chloride है. So this will become benzyl amine. हो गया. ये benzyl chloride है. ये benzyl amine है. If I write OH here, it will become benzyl alcohol. Okay, benzyl alcohol. So हम benzyl amine लिखेंगे. The common name is better than the IUPAC. So इसको हम लोग benzyl amine लिखेंगे. तो phenyl amino phenyl methane लिखो. Benzyl amine. Amino phenyl methane. Okay. Benzyl amine अनेक better. Okay. बहुत কিছু করতেছিস তুই আজকাল, বহুত কিছু. जाने में चुकमुक देखले भी देता क्या ना erase this কিছু বললাম না রে আমি তোকে The next reaction is one of the most important reactions of amines, जिसका नाम है Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. नाम लिखो. Hoffman and bromamide degradation. Aman, you don't talk to Rito. Bad influence हो जाएगा. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. ওইটা বের কর. আরে ওদের কোনো কাজ ছিল না যেটা শুনতে নিয়েছে এই তো বই থেকে. হ্যাঁ নোবেল প্রাইজ এমনি পেয়ে যায়. তখন তো তুমি জানতো না blow up the love. What is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction is so I will need an amide. So we'll start with RC double bond O NH2. उसके बाद हमें चाहिए alkali KOH and I need bromine because bromamide है, right? We need bromine. So KBR হবে KBR okay, clear. Now what is the meaning of degradation here? Suppose you have in your chain you have whatever number of carbons, you know you are preparing an amine, so पहला product हमारा बनेगा RNH2. Okay, RNH2 is my amine. After that I will get with this CO, I get a carbonate which is K2CO3. Then I will get KBr and H2O. অনেক কিছু পাওয়া যায় এই রিঅ্যাকশনটাতে, and unfortunately you will be surprised to know there was one question which came just last year in the boards. What are the byproducts of Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction? Pre-boards means this question had come. What are the byproducts of Hoffman bromamide degradation? Huh? I am the. So can you please balance this reaction for me? To karna হয়ে যাবে 2 লাগালে না তো হবে না তো এখানে বিআর এ একটা আছে এখানে 2 আছে এখানে 2 লাগাবো এখানে 4 লাগাবো হ্যাঁ কমপ্লিট আর 4 2 4 6 2 আহা এখানে হয় নাই অক্সিজেন হয় নাই 3 4 water is not balanced. Oxygen and hydrogen is not balanced. Obviously এক 5 আছে এদিকে এখানে 3 4 আছে hydrogen is 3 यहाँ पे 2 हो गया ना, so 2 4 5 6 4 5 6 and oxygen is 1 5 3 4 5 balanced. This is balanced. Now this is balanced. Complete. Ready? Now, why is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction so important? Because you don't expect any direct questions. You will be doing all conversions. Conversions करते हैं हम लोग organic में ज़्यादा. Write a question. You will start with propanamide. Start with propanamide. You will start with propanamide and you will tell me the product of Hofmann-Broman degradation. Start with propanamide and you will tell me what is the name of the product that you get and what is your observation. Propanamide. Ethanamine. तेरा propanamine आ गया. I'm telling you, okay, this is one of the most important reactions in amines chapter. Before exam, तो इसको देख के जाओ. This is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, and H2 plus KOH लागबे R Br2 लागबे. So this part and this part will add up. Yes or no? So I'll get CH3, CH2, and H2. Eta chole jabe potassium is giving me K2CO plus KBr ashbe plus H2 ashbe. Now why degradation? Because we started with 1, 2, 3 carbons. And our product has how many carbons? 2 carbons. Degradation, that means we have gone down in the carbon chain. Understood? Any conversion you see, okay, during your exam, which has more carbons in the reactant and less carbons in the product, you will have to know कि वहां पे degradation हुआ है. Is that okay? And any reaction you see where number of carbons has increased in the chain, do you know what to do? Upgradation किससे करते हैं? Do you remember what is Grignard reagent? RMGX. RMGX mostly used kore, your number of carbons in the chain will increase. Okay. Chalo, so this was degradation करने से Hoffman method करने से तुम्हारा carbons कम हो रहा है. लेकिन RMGX अगर use करोगे during conversion, तुम्हारा number of carbons in the chain will increase. ठीक है? Okay, so you can also do start with benzamide. What is the formula of benzamide? Benzamide. C6H5. Tapar? C double bond O and H2. Do the degradation. Do the degradation. You got C6H5? What is the name of the product? Benzenamine or aniline. Okay. Complete? Done, everyone? Okay. হয়ে গেছে না সোহিনী উর্মি?
Yes, sir.
সম্ভব হয়ে গেছে? হ্যালমাইড জিনিসটা কি? জিনিসের নাম। হ্যাঁ, এক মিনিট দাঁড়া। হ্যাঁ, হ্যালিক অ্যাসিড we have done. एक मिनट रुको। हाँ, Okay, let's start. This is another very important, very important preparation. Now, जैसे हिमांशु ने पूछा था, मैम क्या ये बेस्ट मेथड है? ये बेस्ट मेथड है. तुमने नाइट ट्रायल को लिखा था, यहाँ पे लिखना है. ये बेस्ट मेथड है. ये बेस्ट मेथड किसके लिए है? This is the best method to prepare only primary amines. Only primary amines. हाँ, नाइट ट्रायल से obviously, but this is the best. Okay, and this is the best, and this method will give you also only primary amines and no other extra. Now, Gabriel thalamide synthesis is what? First of all, we'll have to start with thalamide. Look first, okay? C double bond O, C double bond O, NH. Don't do anything, please look up. इसका नाम है thalamide. PHTHALIMIDE, thalamide. We need to treat this with KOH, that is alcoholic potassium hydroxide. What will happen? Water निकल जाएगा. So minus H2O. We will get this, C double bond O, C double bond O, NK. Nitrogen will carry the negative charge, potassium will carry the positive charge. This is potassium thalamide. So I'm writing potassium thalamide. PHTHALIMIDE. Ignore the spelling, potassium thalamide. In the next step, I will treat potassium thalamide with, suppose I'm taking C2H5Br. Which class of compound is this? Alkyl halide. Byproduct क्या बनेगा? KBr. And this will go with N, right? So my product should look like this. C double bond O, C double bond O, N C2H5. Agreed? Minus KBr. अभी simple hydrolysis करना है, H2OH plus करना है. What will happen? COOH, COH. Can anyone tell me the name of this acid? Phthalic acid. PHTHALIC, phthalic acid. Plus C2H5 and H2. क्या डिग्री अमीन बना? 1 डिग्री. क्योंकि तुम्हें पूछा जाएगा, see, you will be asked which is the only means which method is used for preparing only primary amines. जैसे हॉफमैन्स में तुम्हें प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी ये सब मिल रहा है, बट इस मेथड में तुम्हें सिर्फ प्राइमरी अमीन्स ही मिलेगा.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये कि ये मेथड बेस्ट क्यों है? थैलिक एसिड का हो सकता है
बाय प्रोडक्ट. But this is pure and separation is easy. That is the reason why. It is solid. This will be our product to separate easily. Okay. This is very important. Okay, by the way. Hoffman is important. This one is important. This much I can tell you. Oh, another important point. Why this is so nice and so good? Because listen na, you देखो कोई भी reaction करते हो ना, like now you're growing up, you have to understand what is कोई भी हम लोग reaction करते हैं, उसका utility क्या है? There should be 100% efficiency. I'm starting a reaction. अगर वो 100% products देता है, that means my reaction is very good. This phthalic acid can be converted back to this, and you can get more products.
Oh.
Listen to phthalic acid can be converted again to thalamide and used again and again. Potassium thalamide. You will write this statement, okay, and keep. Everyone will practice this reaction at least twice. Okay, you will practice this reaction. It is very easy, just two-step reaction. लिख लिया? Yes. Can anyone give me the NCERT? देख मेरा सारा कन्वर्जन हो गया. So good. अच्छा. Write the statement. Write the note. Everyone. Phthalic acid can be converted. Phthalic acid can be converted into phthalimide and used again and again. Phthalic acid can be converted to phthalimide and used again and again. Point number 2. This method gives pure amines. This method gives pure amines. Pure primary लिखे दे तो जो इच्छा करें. हाँ लिखे दे. This method can be used for preparing pure primary amines. Next point. This method cannot be used to prepare aryl amines because they do not undergo. This method cannot be used to prepare aryl amines because aryl halides. This method cannot be used to prepare aryl amines because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution easily. ये हमने पहले भी लिखा हुआ है. Yes or no? Aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution easily. Finished? Okay. That brings us to the end of preparation of amines. Okay. Write a question. That will be the last for today. First question. How will you convert benzene to aniline? Benzene to aniline. Number 2. Benzene to N,N-dimethyl aniline. N,N-dimethyl aniline. You have to convert benzene to N,N-dimethyl aniline. This 2 only. Think a little. Think a little. आज ही किया है. Himanshu, open your syllabus and check if diazonium salts is a part of the syllabus or not. No. তাহলে আমার next week এই চ্যাপ্টারটা শেষ হয়ে যাবে। Hoffman's ammonolysis. You want to do Hoffman's ammonolysis. But wait a minute, okay? Help me. Easy है, use your brain a little. That is obvious, but I'm still hoping that there is something left. देख, they have told you benzene है, इसको क्या बनाना है? Aniline बनाना है. एरकम हमें तो, right? Now there is something here. You have to do something in this stage. Something you have to do here, and then from here you can come here. It a Hoffman Hobena. Think a little. Today we did from here to here we did this conversion. Very good, Shakti. नाइट्रो कंपाउंड, इसका मतलब यहाँ का बीच का नाइट्रोबेंजीन था, राइट? नाइट्रो से यहाँ कैसे जा सकते हैं? की लिखो অনেক কিছু we can okay, this is okay. From here to here what can we do? ये तो क्लास 11 वाला है। यार ये सिंपल नाइट्रेशन है। How can you introduce the nitro group here? HNO2. You will need the nitrating mixture, which is a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. This will give you the nitro group here. इसका reduction से यहाँ। यही तो प्रॉब्लम है, तुम लोग पढ़ाई ही नहीं किया है 11 में। How can you forget nitration? Now is it okay? Now will you forget? अगर ये आएगा ये भूलेगा, हाँ तो बस यही आएगा। हाँ I'm telling you one thing, you have sufficient time, okay? There are hardly few reactions in hydrocarbon chapter. Hydrocarbon chapter में there is last section. एक है nitration, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. These 4 reactions you learn, you don't, and then that completes your cycle of conversions. ये 4 ही है बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Okay? So second one was benzene to NN dimethyl aniline. Okay, so यहाँ तक तो आ गए. इसके बाद हमें यहाँ तक जाना है. एक मिनट रुकना. NN dimethyl आइसो बनाएगा, बाप रे. ये नहीं है क्या? NN dimethyl aniline ये है ना? Right? How will I come from here to here? How will I come from here to here? Yes, Akash. आज ही किया है. তুই পাসনি আজকে, তুই নাইট্রো থেকে ঢুকেছিস। হফম্যান কি করব আমি? হফম্যানের জন্য আমি কি করব এটাকে? আমি কি লিখবো উপরে? RX এর জন্য আমি কোন R নেব বাবু? CH3I আমার 1 মোল নিলে আমার কাজ হয়ে যাবে? How many moles will we need? 2 moles. So I will need 2 moles of CH3I. Yes or no? Shomap is still confused. হ্যাঁ, এই দেখো বাবু আমি বললাম না, তুমি বুঝোনি। এই দেখ, একটা হাইড্রোজেন এটার সাথে গেল, আর একটা এটার সাথে গেল। Perfect. So we'll need 2 moles of CH3I to give you this one. So from this is a 3-step reaction. Is that understood now? Is it, अगर तुम्हें N मिथाइल N इथाइल दिया हुआ होता तो तुम लोग क्या करते? H5I. See, you are so brilliant. Tomorrow you will forget again because you don't go home and open your copies. No? All right. So in the next class, I will start with the physical properties and chemical properties. Okay. And by next week, my target is to finish this chapter. Bye bye. Hey guys, you please keep in touch with me. Hoy geche na Shoini Urmi? Hoy geche? Shoini hoy geche? Okay, chalo. Bye. Meeting and